योग वशिष्ठार 420 says, Anudvega Suryamulam, Anudvegat Pramuchite, Jantor Manojayat Anyas, Trailokya Vijayastrinam. Anudveg is the total absence of anxiety about the object of desire, which is the cause of the attainment of all types of wealth as well as the cause of liberation. Therefore, conquering the three worlds without conquering one's own mind is as insignificant as a blade of grass. Once the unreality of the worldly objects is experienced, there cannot be any anxiety and so forth regarding those objects. Verse 421 says, Satsango Vasnatyago Adhyatma Vidya Vicharanam Pranaspand Nirodhaschet Upaya Chet Sojaye. The holy company, renunciation of desires, deliberation about the knowledge of the self, and pranayam, that is the control of breath. These four are the means to conquer the mind stuff. Verse 422 says, Purne Manasi Sampurna Jagat Sarva Sudhadravai Upanad Gud Padasya Nanu Charma Abrite Bhu. To a person wearing leather shoes, it seems as if the entire earth is certainly covered with leather. In a similar way, when the mind is conquered, the entire universe is clearly revealed as if overflowing with nectar juice. When the mind gets dissolved in one's real self, by the practice of discrimination and so forth, there comes the realization of the essential nature of bliss, which is absolute and fully pervaded everywhere. Verse 423 says, Naham Brahmeti Sankalpat Sudridham Badhite Mana Sarvam Brahmeti Sankalpat Sudridham Muchite Mana. The mind becomes firmly bound by the thinking that I am not Brahman. And by contemplating that everything is Brahman alone, the mind definitely gets liberated. Vivek Churamani 359 says, Sati Sakti Naroyati Sadbhav hi ek nishtaya Kitko Brahmanam Dhyayan Brahmratvai Kalpate. One who is attached to the real becomes real through single-pointed devotion. Just as the worm, contemplating its identity upon the wasp, is transformed to become a wasp. Panchtantra 590 says, Mantre tirthe duje deve, deivagye bhejse guro, yadrisim bhavna kuryat, siddhir bhavati tadrisi. It is well known that one attains the desired results depending on one's thoughts and attitude that he maintains towards a mantra, a place of pilgrimage, Brahmans, gods, astrologers, medicines, and one's guru.